Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, I'm going to look at how to find the multiplicative inverse of a complex number. So let's see how we do this. Now, what is the multiplicative inverse of z equal to 3i? Now, the multiplicative inverse of this complex number is found by following these simple steps. So we have z inverse equals 1 on 3i. Very simple as that. But this 1 on 3i, we proceed by writing it as 1 on 3i times 3i divided by 3i. That is, we are rationalizing. So this will give us 3i on 9 times I squared. This gives 3i divided by negative 9 because I equals square root of negative 1. So if I take I squared, then it will be left with negative 1 times this. So this will give me negative I divided by 3 as the multiplicative inverse of 3i.